ये पीछे से कौन तस्वीर ले रहा था? ये खातून बैठी हैं क्या ग्रीन चीज से फोन पिक्चर ले रही हैं? आपसे बात कर रहे हैं जो पीछे मुड़ के देख रही हैं आप जी. व्हाट स्टैंड अप? व्हाट आर यू इन योर हैंड?
डायरीज.
सर इनका देखिए वो फोन में देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं. यू आर engaged by Miss Kamal Shahzad.
Sir, I also speak as an officer of the court interpreting the Constitution.
अब इतना तो ना करें ना. You have not even bothered to array PTI as a party, which is very surprising. How can you speak on their behalf? I don't know what they want or don't want.
Sir, I am speaking on behalf of the Constitution now. I am submitting.
Speaking for myself, I wanted you to argue the case as an amicus, but then I was told that no, because you have personally contested, so you can't be an amicus. So please ये आप ना बोलें. You have a brief. You have a brief. Please आप अपने brief पे रखिए.
मैं brief में ये सब आ रहा है. I am not saying anything which contradicts my position in my petition. I am submitting.
आपकी petitioner क्या चाह रही है जरा ये बता दें.
मेरी petitioner दो बातों के लिए तैयार है. Either we be treated or she be treated as a PTI candidate and the PTI list that was filed.
चलिए हम आपकी पहली प्रेयर मान लेते हैं कि आप PTI candidate. ठीक है.
Then it will follow for everybody else that whoever filed as a PTI candidate should be treated as a PTI member of National Assembly, and the list that was filed in December, that list be allowed to be supplemented, in which case, according to the law, we would add to that list and members would get elected. That is one way forward.
Can we direct any party to give affiliation to any person?
No, one way would be to declare us as PTI because our nomination papers are PTI.
You are.
That's a declaration then that despite the Election Commission's order.
Any declaration?
Mr. Salman Ghazi, if I may.
The Election Commission's order is in the way.
If I may interrupt you and ask a question from Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. That this prayer that is now being made before us, would you oppose it or would you accept it? Assuming that the court makes such a declaration.
What is the prayer?
That we be treated as PTI and our original list that PTI filed, that list be treated as a list for section 104 and we be allowed to add to that list.
Prayer class पढ़ लें.
Where is this prayer?
Prayer पढ़ लें.
Let's see how you can respond to it without seeking instructions.
No, I can respond. I can respond.
Would you accept it or would you?
But is this the prayer? Because
No. Malad, this is something your lordships can pass any order on the facts and circumstances of the case. This is something that is
in opposition.
पहले prayer पढ़ लें.
my first response, my lord, is this is not the prayer and it cannot be the prayer because it's a CPLA arising out of the impugned judgment.
It is CP.
So, yes. So, as far as I'm aware. My second response is, my lord, my position is that these reserved seats should go to SIC.
SIC में आप इनको लिस्ट में शामिल करेंगे.
वो तो ले लेंगे एफिडेविट.
बात खत्म.
जी हमने कभी डिनाई नहीं. मैंने कहा I'm not denying.
Sir, issue दो हैं जो आपकी. It is from your observations that I have come up with this. Your lordship's observations have suggested two ways forward. Our case originally was simply this.
वो अपना केस आगे करें.
हमारा केस
हमारा काम नहीं है आपका केस.
हमारा केस तो यही है कि we have lawfully, in accordance with the Constitution, we are entitled to be treated ultimately
Please,
as candidates of the SIC.
Got your point. Next point.
So that is one submission. Then, my lord, I move on to what my lord has called the falsafa, but that is very important in interpreting this 51(6) D&E, and I'll just quickly point to these judgments without reading anything. Kindly see this paperwork before your lordships.
आप हमें बता दें प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, जजमेंट्स.
प्रिंसिपल्स ये हैं.
पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट बैठा हुआ है, आप हमें जजमेंट्स पढ़ा रहे हैं.
जजमेंट्स आपकी.
आप बता देना ये प्रिंसिपल है, हम नोट कर लेंगे.
प्रिंसिपल ये है कि in interpreting any part of the Constitution, in particular those that deal with elections, this court will give primacy to the role of political parties. And when independents have joined a political party, their joining that political party will not be rendered consequenceless through an interpretation of the word each or such. It is the holistic reading. After 3 days, there is a political party.
We completely agree with you.
Yes.
But then you should contest on PTI, not SIC.
तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आप देख लीजिएगा. My position is there was no barrier. Our position is that there was no constitutional barrier to us joining the SIC. After 3 days, SIC has a certain number of
Salman
members.
Sahab, we're fine with that. I mean, we're trying to explore the idea that SIC could be a political party, and there is perhaps looking at the constitution and having a pro-democratic kind of interpretation, we could start thinking that any political party off the shelf which is listed
Yes.
could be considered to be a political party of 51. Two things stand in the way, and I want you to address that. One is that when we talk about proportional representation system, this is perhaps talking about all those political parties that have joined, stepped down in the foray of elections. Whether or not we are clear kare. Does it talk about all sorts of parties which are on the shelf? Because proportional representation ka concept ही trigger नहीं करेगा if it does not maintain a balance between the people who've come into the house, number one. Number two, 3 days they've to take a decision. Don't you think that the electorate should have seen that political party in the electioneering process for them to know who's in the election process and the independent has joined in, rather than out of the blue comes a party that the independent joins? So लगता है ये कि the flow goes in the favor.
Let me now.
इसको जरा clear करें.
Let me respond now, my lord. To say that there should have been a party in the fray, no matter how small, maybe a party in the fray which fights for one seat, doesn't even win that one seat, that somehow entitles people to join it, independents to join it, and have this large impact on the election of reserved seats. But if those independents form another party, which may otherwise be active in society, there are many political parties that don't contest elections because they don't have the money, they have a view, an ideology, a message, but they're not yet in a position to contest an election. So one of those parties, these independents join. By doing that, they
ये
lose.
पीछे से कौन तस्वीर ले रहा था? ये खातून बैठी हैं क्या ग्रीन चीज से फोन पिक्चर ले रही हैं? आपसे बात कर रहे हैं जो पीछे मुड़ के देख रही हैं आप. जी, व्हाट, स्टैंड अप. व्हाट आर यू इन योर हैंड?
Diaries.
सर इनका देखिए वो फोन में देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं. यू नो व्हाट वाज द ग्रीन लाइट दैट शोन? अच्छा, we'll just come in a little while. You देख लें इनका. और सलमान साहब प्लीज रैप इट अप.
जी मैं कर रहा हूँ सर. देखिए सर, मुझे सवाल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. This is the heart of the matter. This is absolutely.
We just take a short break. You may not be tired.
ये heart बड़ी देर से
We are slightly older than
हम उस
you.
पे जा रहे हैं.
वो heart कमजोर होता जा
So we're
रहा है.
moving around this heart, and inshallah we'll strengthen it.
This has to be understood.
This is the main point, my lord, in all of this. Is the constitution some kind of a procedural rigmarole? You join a party with one member and 87 people have weight. You join a party otherwise and you have zero weight. That is what we're dealing with.
But what I understand, this is not your case.
Actually,
Yes, it is my case, sir. It is my case.
You just want to be member of the.
Sir, in a
we'll take a slightly longer break to let you refresh yourself, and sort of 2:30 or 2:35.
As my lord, please.
2:40 कर लेते हैं, ठीक है?
Very kind.